Today, a young man from Lokicha in Turkana is employed in Hamburg, Germany, earning a dignified income under the Kazi Maju program. He will never be happy. That is, Gachagua will never be happy. To demonstrate how heartless Rigathi is, this afternoon he has named one Mr. Eric Mwangi to have been killed in Russia. Eric Mwangi is a nephew to the member for Madeira, the Honorable Eric Wamombi. Mr. Eric Mwangi is well and alive and enjoying his livelihood where he's working in Russia. Our question to you, Mr. Gachagua, why do you wish death on Eric Mwangi, who hails from Nyeri, your home county? Rigathi has no regard to family or the feelings of families in our country. He will do and say anything for cheap political expediency.